We all face cash crunches from time to time, and when it happens, fast access to funds is essential. Enter Cash Advance Apps, a handy financial tool that offers quick, flexible funding options for those in need of an immediate solution without the burden of high interest rates or credit checks. While many such apps require direct deposit for repayment, there are alternatives available for those who may not have a traditional bank account or prefer more flexibility. In this video, we'll explore the best cash advance apps with no direct deposit requirement and share valuable insights on choosing a suitable app while utilizing them responsibly. Number 1. Albert, get up to $250 now. Albert is a reliable and user-friendly app that offers a unique approach to personal finance, but there is room for improvement in some areas. Unlike many cash advance apps, Albert offers a generous and affordable way to get fast cash without requiring direct deposit. The app provides interest-free advances of up to $250, allowing you to manage your financial obligations more effectively while avoiding excessive borrowing or putting undue strain on your finances. One standout feature of Albert is its repayment flexibility. Instead of being locked into a fixed payment date, users have the option to adjust their due dates according to their needs and preferences. This ensures that you won't miss payments even if unforeseen circumstances arise. Plus, with no fees or subscription costs associated with using this service, it's easy for any eligible cash advance user who values convenience and control over their finances. Number 2. Moneylion Instacash. Get $250 advance. Moneylion is an exceptional app for getting cash advances for many people. I have personally used Moneylion, and I can vouch that it is one of the best cash advance apps without direct deposit requirements. Its Instacash feature allows me to borrow up to $250 instantly with no credit check, interest, or monthly fee. Its focus on financial wellness sets Moneylion apart from other cash advance apps. It offers free tracking tools and budgeting features that help me stay on top of my spending and savings goals. Number 3. Dave, advance up to $500. Overall, Dave has been a valuable tool for managing my finances. It's not perfect, but the benefits, like no interest cash advances and no fees for various services, have been a game changer for me. Dave is a cash advance app that has become quite popular among users, and for a good reason. With no interest or credit check required, Dave allows you to borrow up to $500 in moments of need without the hassle of direct deposit. The app charges a low monthly membership fee of $1, which can even be waived using the Dave debit card for purchases. Additionally, Dave offers features such as Side Hustle to help you earn money on the side and instant funding options for a small fee. The app also provides budgeting tools and automatic savings options to help you manage your finances better. Number 4. Bridget, advance up to $250. Bridget offers a valuable service with its instant cash advances, credit building tools, and financial insights. However, improvements could be made in customer service and the application process. Bridget is a standout cash advance app, especially for those who do not want to deal with direct deposit requirements. Offering fee-free overdrafts ranging from $50 to $250 per pay period, Bridget lands on the list of top 10 apps for cash advances by some sources. Users who opt for Bridget's premium membership can enjoy same-day cash advances and additional overdraft protection features. This user-friendly app also provides no-interest cash advances up to $100 and financial management tools that help you stay in control of your finances. Unlike many other cash advance apps, Bridget does not require direct deposit as a repayment option, making it an incredibly convenient choice if you have a traditional bank account or simply prefer alternative repayment methods. Number 5. Earnin, get $500 cash advance. As a user, I appreciate Earnin's quick funding speed, no fees or interest, and transparency. However, there is room for improvement in customer service and addressing technical issues. Earnin is one of the top cash advance apps available to provide quick and easy borrowing options. What's great about Earnin is that it allows you to borrow up to $100 per day and $500 per pay period with no fees. Borrowing with a money app like Earnin involves understanding terms such as APR, loan amount, loan term, late charge, and credit score. To ensure you make the right choice for your financial needs, it's crucial to read reviews and compare options before making a decision. Cash advance apps offer a convenient and flexible way to bridge cash flow gaps for those in need of fast cash. While many of these apps require direct deposit for repayment, there are options available that do not have this requirement.